Hello there. All right, so I wanted to upload a video to a newer channel that I made that I want to just show all of my D&D sessions. And the video was 37 minutes long, but I can't do that. I get this error message here. It says, processing abandoned. Video is too long. Learn more. So I click on learn more. Your video is longer than 15 minutes. So here's what you can do. So you have to verify your channel. Even if you have other channels with this same Google login, it's still once each channel has to be verified. So what you do is you go, it says right here, verify your Google account. So you go here, and then it will send you a text, right? So, or it'll call you with an automated message, and it's going to give you a code. So you put your number in here, you get the code, you put the code in. Here, actually, I'll get the number, I'll put the code in. I'm going to pause the video right now so that you guys don't see my phone number, because I don't know. I mean, who's going to call me? Okay, you know what? I'm going to give you my phone number. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'll be back in a second. So what they do is they text you or call you, but in my case, text a 6-digit number. You put the 6-digit number in, you hit OK, and then it says this, phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. So that's awesome. But what about my upload? So go back to the channel. Upload's too long. All right, so I gotta re-upload this video, I guess. Let's see. Go to content. It says upload too long. Yeah, it says delete video. I mean, it's verified now. Let's reload this. Yeah. So it's time to re-upload the video. But now I should be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Basically what Google's trying to do is make sure, YouTube's trying to do, owned by Google, is trying to make sure that you're a human being and not some like robot that's just making a whole bunch of channels, you know, because that can happen. So, yeah. And then there's a maximum upload size. It tells you about that. And, yeah, so you just got to verify your account. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me. Or, because I gave you my phone number, didn't I? Oh, no, that wasn't part of the thing. Go ahead and text me. No, I mean, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And have a great day. And watch my new channel, D&D One Shots, if you're interested in Dungeons and Dragons, that is. And have a great day. Smash like, subscribe, say hello, do all that stuff. All right. See you later.